Do you want to know how Canadians are using AI to go out there and flip houses without ever buying them? Just picture using AI to go out there and find distressed homeowners, people who want to sell their house but they can't sell them in Canada because of the poor condition of them. And that same AI will message the homeowner and collect some information from the owner. Then the next step is AI is going to tell you what the value of that property should be. Then you call the homeowner up and you make them an offer. And if the homeowner agrees to sell the property at a discounted wholesale price, you connect it to a cash buyer and you get paid for being in the middle. By leveraging AI, we're able to do things in a matter of minutes that used to take weeks. See, when we used to have to do this the manual way, it would take weeks to figure out what is a property worth. We would have to reach out to real estate agents. But now, because of AI, we don't even really need to use real estate agents anymore. Now, if you are a real estate agent or you're thinking about becoming a real estate agent, this is the best strategy for getting new clients in your business, people who want to sell their homes. And the best part is that wholesalers make 10% of the value of the property. So if you wholesale a $400,000 house, the wholesaler makes $40,000. If you want to know how to do this, go ahead, click on the link below and sign up to the free training. And if you're sitting there saying to yourself, why should I listen to you? My name is Tony and I'm from Vancouver, Canada. And I've been doing this strategy since 2018 to wholesale houses all across the USA and Canada.